You will send to I'm not your friend.
Student is a boy. Student is a boy. Student is a boy.
Kaya na ko ihatag sa imo ang tanan kanina na ba?
Give you everything. Give you everything. Give you everything.
We are the market. We are the market. We are the market.
If you find this segment informative, please click the thumbs up button and subscribe to stay updated with our latest news, and share this broadcast to your friends and family. Your support helps us keep you informed. Help us get our first 10,000 subscribers. Your engagement matters. Liking, sharing, and subscribing to our content not only helps more people discover the important stories we bring you, but also supports our team's hard work. It boosts our visibility in the algorithm, making it easier for others to find ways to stay informed. Thank you for being part of our community.
We are in 517 and I am later I am by in the vegetable in the fruits and the vegetable in the market. I am in for the Ororama. I'm wait for money. I'm buy here a vegetable. And for the Carmen in the market in the Mercury in the street for the Mercury drugs. Sige nga street, ma'am. Sige nga street. Ha? I mean, ang
Ay, Maxaniel.
we are Daniel in the market of the market in the back in the back of I yeah. Maxine ka ng Bisaya ang kung I'm waiting in the money. You are give me in the money. You are give me in the money. Dire bro. Saan nga street dire? I'm of the Bicastro. I'm in the I'm the market. I'm the
Fighting.
Pogon market.
Good market. Or night market ba?
Night
Gawas night market.
I'm the English yung ganun uyab ba? Uyab.
Ay, ko? Ina lang naka sa terminal sa asa na siya ikan?
Nana siya sa kanang Pogon.
Kung ina sakay siya karto yon, ina sakay siya jeep nga patag, ina mo down ka dres sa ina mo driver.
You are jeep in the ride in the jeep and you are sa tawagan na kanang
Ina ipanaw inon mong driver nga mo na ka dres sa kwan night market.
you are night market here in the Carmen. You are night market here in the Carmen and the Maxoniel and you are sea of the night market.
Ana pwede siya maglibog.
You know of the jeep, okay? You know of the jeep. You are sea of the patag. You are rid of the patag. You are right in the patag, and then you are rid of the patag, and then you are night market in the Carmen. No. I'm with. You are with of the house. We are with of the house. I am by of the vegetable. I'm by the vegetable and I am giving you. At sige ng English sa kanang palitan ta ka gulay. Palitan ta kag-
I will buy a
ano na, I will
vegetable.
I will vegetable. Ano?
Buy a vegetable.
I will to buy a vegetable in the in the in the market. I you are give of money of me. You are give money of me. Masa kanang 2,000
2,000.
You are give 2,000. Oh, tara. Tota. You are give up 2,000. You are give up 2,000 and you are sent in the GCash. Ha? You sa to ma'am? You will send up the G you will send to into GCash. You will send into GCash in and I am receiving the GCash and I am buy up the vegetable and the fruits. I am the market. The huh? That ma'am? I'm her in the market. I am wait of the GCash in you are give me here. Yes. Kanang unsa gyud namo kana naalagi ko diri sa kanang market. Ito yung English ano mo? Lagi niya, di man siya motungan ako sa market. Ito na naalagi ko sa market. Ito English na ma'am? Kanang nako sa market.
I am in the market.
Ay ano? I am
at the market.
I am at the I am ito ma'am? I'm waiting in the market. I will wait in the market. No. Na nya nado babay ko.
No,
Dili I don't someone I don't have someone.
Just me.
Just me. Just me. I am as of the babae ok ay kana I am asking asking
The students.
the students in the I'm not English and you can see me here. Huh? I am not good in English. No. I'm love you. I'm give of the fruits in the vegetable. You are sent of the GCash in the ito sir 2K you are sent buy in the fruits in the vegetable in the market in the night market here in the I am give you in later. Yes okay I'm love you sige lang willing na ko ihatag sa imo ang tanan I am gusto kaya na ko ihatag si kanang willing na ha kanang kaya na ko ihatag sa imo ang tanan ganyan na ba
Give you everything.
ha I can
I will give you everything.
I will give you everything. I will give everything you want. No. I'm not girlfriend. I in the student I am as in the student. Not friend. I'm not girlfriend.
I student is a boy. Student is a boy. Student is a boy.
The
The student is a boy.
no,
Stress.
I'm give, okay? Okay, okay, sige. Magkita ay. Magkita lang ta diri sa night market.
I'll see you here later.
Dito.
I'll see you here later.
I see you here.
Later.
I see you here later.
Or let's just meet here in the market.
Ano to?
Or let's just meet here in the market.
Let's just meet
Here in the market.
here in the market later. Okay. Okay. Sige.
Kamarin na siya. Kamarin na siya. Kamarin na siya.
Are you? Oh, are you see me? Are you see me? Oh, I'm in the no. Okay. So I am see you. I am see you. Ha. I'm love you. I'm love you. Bye.
Asan bro?
Salamat kay boss ha. Salamat kay na nakuan na ba na kalma ra siya. Lisod mo ko di ko magsaba kung asa ko kay makaingon na niya siya nga nagbinuang ko niya wala gid ako nagbinuang.
Taga sa Manila.
Ha?
Taga sa Manila.
Taga kuan ra gud, taga abroad. Ya lisod pud nga dili ko magsaba nga na-prank bitaw mo na sa video. Na-prank bitaw mo na sa video. Ay, mas na video.
Ay! Sa mo istorya mo.
Yung prank na may tata, ma'am. Ito si ma'am. Ano ba yung name, ma'am? Ano ba name?
Hazel.
Hazel. Si ma'am Hazel lang mo. Pero katawa sila diri. Ito siya sa joke naman na nag-prank ta diri. By the way, nata sa Pinoy Rob YouTube channel. Ayan, pwede ka na mag-hi or shoutout sa mga ano.
Ayun na sir.
Ayan na sa'yo, mag-ibati ba mo na prank ka ka-jot mo. Gabi ang isi niya. Sige, dyan mo.
Wala lang.
Ayan.
Wala akong nag-expect.
Pero gabi matinabangon kay si Ma'am Do. Promise. Oh, tubag-tubag yapon siya. Anyway, thank you so much, Ma'am No. And si mo, sir, how are you, sir? How are you? How you are here? Aja.
Ikaw kayo sila guys. Na, amata.
Ayan, so, by the way guys, namin diri sa kanang merkado, no? At bang sa kaking and nanaputay na prank diri. Ayan. So, shoutout. So, by the way, namin diri sa manihan ni Kuya, ano sa name Kuya?
Bernie.
Ayan, manihan ni Kuya Bernie. Ayan, so kung muagi mo diri guys sa merkado, ayaw mo kalimot, no, sa pagpalit sa iyang money diri sa crossing lang yun sa merkado at bang sa kaking guys. Okay, at bang pud sa Mercury Drug. Alright, so shoutout sir.
Shout out ako sa mga unay Manila. Ako diri sa karon sa Lumbia Terminal diri sa Carmen.
Ayan.
Gusto mo ba tug Manila? Ako diri mandam ko magulat. Thank you.
Ayan. Alright. So that's all guys, that's all for today. So nagiti mga tao no nga matinabangon gid kayo pag-abot sa English. Si Ma'am Tin tabang-tabang pa si Ma'am Tin nagtabang. Alright, so kung makabisita mo diri guys, busy gid kayo ang Carmen. No, atubangan diri sa kaking, even sa surrounding sa kanang merkado, dagan gid kaayo mga mga tao diri, busy gid kayo mga tao diri, and especially ting pauli na sa hapon, and mga estudyante, mga trabahante na diri sa sa merkado nagpalibot. And pansinin niyo ang RTA, busy kay ang RTA, busy kay ang mga tao sa sa pag-parking, sa pag-agi sa dalan, and inana ang kahimtang diri sa hapon. So sa Carmen. So ayan, so ayaw mo kalimot. So pasensya lang gyud sa dalan and para medyo relax lang, dapat makabalo mo nga kanang busy gid diri sa Carmen guys. Ayan. So that's it guys. So by the way, nata sa Pinoy Rab YouTube channel no. Ma'am and sir, pwede ba ta mag-wave dia kajot? Ayan. So unsa mong name sir?
Mark.
Mark, how about you ma'am?
Ash po.
Ayan. Nagunsa mo diri sa ano sa Carmen?
Eskwela, sir.
Kailan mo? Nagpalit lang mag-snack. Ayan. So unsa inyong kurso?
Medtech.
Medtech. Medtech?
Senior high school pa.
Oh, senior high school. Ayan. So shoutout sa mga ka-medtech dyan.
Shoutout sa inyo.
Ayan. How about sa senior high school? Shoutout.
Shout out.
Ayan. Namin sa Pinoy Rab YouTube channel. Pwede niyo i-visit, no? Narad to ang video. Ayan. Pinoy Rab. Pinoy tapos R-O-B. Pinoy Rab. YouTube channel na siya. Ayan. So thank you so much, ma'am. So that's it. Thank you so much guys for watching and please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell button para ma-notify din kayo sa bagong video na i-upload natin dito sa Pinoy Rab YouTube channel. And also share this video para marami din makakaalam sa video natin. And also sa Facebook din natin, please don't forget to like, share, and comment, react sa Facebook natin guys. So thank you so much. See you in our next prank!
Na Franco.
Na Franco.
If you find this segment informative, please click the thumbs up button and subscribe to stay updated with our latest news and share this broadcast to your friends and family. Your support helps us keep you informed. Help us get our first 10,000 subscribers. Your engagement matters. Liking, sharing, and subscribing to our content not only helps more people discover the important stories we bring you, but also supports our team's hard work. It boosts our visibility in the algorithm, making it easier for others to find ways to stay informed. Thank you for being part of our community.